Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I make these beautiful yummy muffin cakes or mini cakes, how you prefer to call it. Alright guys, don't go far from your screen. Let's pop into the kitchen while I show you my ingredients. Okay, my ingredients I have with me is sachet of baking powder, vanilla aroma, sugar, egg, milk. I'm using evaporated milk, a glass of milk, and some flour. I also have in the microwave my melted butter. Alright guys, before I continue, I want to say thank you to my subscribers, my old and new subscribers. I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you and God bless you. A quick insight about my channel. In this channel, I do everything DIY. My face care, my hair care. I do my hair and my face care myself. I don't go to the spa. I do everything myself. I also do baking, cooking, and also involved in gist. So these 3 or 4 things you definitely find them in my channel. So definitely going to see something that suits your taste. Alright guys, as you can see, this video is self-explanatory. I just add my ingredient, my sugar, my sorry, my sugar and egg together. I'm going to mix them very well, after which I'm adding some baking powder. The quantity I used in making this video gave me 8 muffins, 8 mini cakes. So if you are using the same quantity, just know you are going to get 7 to 8 more mini cake or muffin cakes, depending on the kind of cup you are using. So before I continue, I want to say, when you are feeling the time of filling, because I might not remember to say it at the end of the video, when during the filling process, while you are filling your mixture into your muffin cake, make sure you don't fill it to the top. Fill it to the center, a little bit above the center line. Don't fill it to the top, because while baking, the rising process, it will rise and pop out. So it won't be, you will not get a beautiful and attractive result at the end. All right guys, right, I'm adding my vanilla aroma. It was a little bit difficult for me, so I just went ahead and kind of make some handshake so it can come out. Thank you if you watch this far, and if you still have the intention of washing till the end, I want to say thank you and God bless you. Yeah, I hear kisses as usual. Thank you to my new subscribers, my host subscribers. I will say God bless you for supporting me and giving me reason to move on. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Like, if you are making a kilo of flour, you are going to regulate the salt how you just added 2 pinch of salt, 2 pinch, less than a gram of salt. So I added my flour and I mixed everything together. After which I wasn't satisfied with the texture, the way it was looking, so I have to go in with my electric mixer, but that is optional. If you are good with a spatula, you can just use a spatula and give it a good mix, so that important thing, there will not be no seed, or is it seed or lumps, I don't know. Just mix it very well. This is how your final texture, the consistencies, this is how it should look. Not too watery and not too thick. This is how it will look if you use the dose of it. So this is what I was trying to say. When you fill it to this level, it's going to pop out. It's better you fill it to the center level, the middle, half of the cup. Don't fill it up to this extent. So that was what I did, that make my muffin not have a beautiful look, but the taste is blowing. Sharp 1, sharp 2, nasty they be. All right, what I'm doing in this process is just like freeing the hair inside the muffin, inside the test my cake. I'm trying to pop out this hair. So guys, this is all for this video. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.